Good morning, everyone. Nice little breeze blowing right now. Feels pretty good. I haven't seen Mr. Hawk this morning, but for some reason the birds haven't been really feeding. Just a couple here and there, but usually when he's not here, they're usually all over this, so I don't know what's going on. I know there's some crows around, but they don't seem to be around right now. But you just never know what these birds are gonna do. I think I just saw one go in that big tree over there. Straight ahead. They must be around in one of these trees instead of on the pole, because everything's kind of, at a standstill, it seems like. I think I'm gonna have to clean that bird bath out today. There's some seeds in it. You know, I don't remember it ever being so hot early as it has this year. It's like we didn't really even have any spring. I mean, it just all of a sudden was hot. And it's not even really the hottest part of summer yet, so man, I don't know what's going on. I know everybody, y'all have all been having trouble too. It's not just here. My friend, our friend, Joy Tucker in Ohio, well, she hadn't been able to even go out all that much, like she normally would. And, it bothers me when it's super humid. I can't breathe good. And there's birds flying around and stuff. I mean, they're flying around. It's just they're acting funny or something. Usually there'll be some of the little finches and things feeding right now. Well, here comes a cardinal. Hope y'all can see that. It's pretty unusual for a cardinal to land. They're pretty scared of everything. I don't know if I'd say scared, but cautious maybe more the word. I hope y'all can see that red cardinal. Here comes another one. on the ground. There's 2 on the ground now. I just put seed out. They had eaten practically all the seeds on the ground. And I put some more down. And I filled that little pot, that little feeder too. Well. I was thinking that they weren't going to be here at all, and all of a sudden, I love watching them. You got a bluebird over here on the light post. Sorry I haven't been able to get many of the bird cam lately, but it looks like I need to put it out if they're going to feed. I won't send out a video of the bird cam unless there's actually birds on it. I always make sure before I send it out. Although it is kind of relaxing just to watch the bird cam because of the clouds going by and everything and the sounds of the birds, but it's just not the same unless there's birds out there. I woke up early again with my hip hurting. Here's I guess that's the female cardinal. Come to get a little bit to eat. Wow, y'all. I need to set this up. I can't wait till I get my new telescope thing for my camera. I mean, for my phone. I'll be able to sit in the garage and they won't know I'm even in there really, and I'll be able to zoom in on them. Well, I believe I'm going to get off here and I'm going to set up it takes a little bit to set it up because I have to put the stool over there and they have to kind of get used to it before I put the camera. But as long as they feel safe, there'll be quite a few, I hope. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press the like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. Everybody have a great day, and I will see you later.